Start na. Okay, good morning guys. So welcome back to our channel. Hi guys, ano?
Hi guys.
Okay, so we will unbox our gift. Okay, so this is online. So try naman natin guys kung anong magandahan nito. Or maganda ba. So this is sent from J-Co. Okay. So we will open. Sige, hold na. Okay, so we will unbox. Yeah, pag Shopee Mall, pag order ka sa mall, may talaga magandang package. Wow! Maganda ang bubble wrap guys. Nagmamadali si seller. Pero okay naman siya.
I need to spray it.
Oh yeah, we need to spray it. Okay na. So we will unbox the bubble wrap.
Wait. Ako. Yes.
Ano? Ito. Okay. Yan. Wow! Wait lang. It's color red. Okay. So we will check first the price before we unbox the actual item.
Wow.
So it is the price is 620.
Wow.
Pero nag-promo siya guys, 62 pesos. I'm not sure if that's true, but yan ang sabi niya. And may shipping fee na 100. So supposed to be babayaran natin is 162. Pero may shipping discount kasi nag-promo at yung may coins tayo na ginamit, tapos may voucher. So 90 pesos lang siya guys. Yan na guys, so na-fit na natin. So yan na ang so maganda yung kuko. So yan na guys. So yan na, yeah. So adjustable siya guys, yan. So ma-adjust mo siya, yan o. Ano ba yan? Yan, dito. Yan. Okay, so okay, yan. Okay, so thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you like this. Have a wonderful day. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.